Hey my juicy fruits, welcome to the channel. This is an updated EXXONMOBIL app video. Okay y'all, I'm at this location, 71110 South Cockrell Hill Road. I'm gonna pay at the pump. I'm still sitting in my car, but I'm at the Exxon, as y'all can see here, and it's telling me at the one I'm at, 7110 South Cockrell Hill Road. Pump. What pump is this? 11. I'm going to authorize pump. We're going to do it with that card. Authorize pump. It's authorizing payment. I'm going to start fueling. Whoa, I almost got diesel. Wait a minute. I want to do an updated version of this. Have it fueling. Still fueling, y'all. Okay, transaction is completing. I earned 32 points. Got extra gas, $3.55 a gallon. I'll complete my receipt. Okay, I hope y'all can see better in this clip. Okay, see y'all in the next video. Thank y'all for getting gas.